Hey guys, I just received a parcel today. Yes, I got it open. I almost forgot to make a video again. But this one here is only one of the parcels. This one's not from Amazon. This is a different one. I already got it open, but the stuff is still in it. And I took all the packaging off it because it takes like a long time to get it off. Now, I bought these two for myself. These aren't Christmas presents. I treated myself and bought myself these. See, as you can see, there's like a lot of wrapping and stuff on that, which is a good thing. He puts a lot of wrapping on the outside, inside of these purses to make sure they don't get damaged. This is one that I bought for myself. They call it crossbody. It's big, long handles. It was on a Black Friday sale, so I didn't pay a big fortune for these. On Black Friday, they had a 75 to 80% off sale, so I got myself this one. And I got this bigger one. This one's a satchel. Even the tags are still on them. As you can see, look at the price of what it was. I didn't pay that, believe me. I would never pay that much for a purse. But they were 75 to 80% off on Black Friday, so I got myself one. Now, for Christmas, I got, see this one here? I got my husband to buy me a red one. Now, it's wrapped underneath the Christmas tree, so it's exactly the same as this one, except it's all red. And it's like exact same style, everything. Now, I know a lot of men are watching this and they're like, oh, I don't want to see no purses. And a lot of women don't mind this. But I figured I'd show you guys anyhow. But look at all the wrapping that comes on top of this packaging. I would have been there like 10-15 minutes unwrapping to show you guys. So it's good that I got it done ahead of time. But I do have some more Amazon parcels coming in. So as soon as they come in, I'll make a video for you guys. And I'll catch you guys in the next one. And don't forget to subscribe, guys.